meets the conditions set out in the Act. In addition, there have been sad reports of Kenya police officers falling victim when combating local criminal gangs in the country. There is need for the country to be assured that the Kenya police is adequately suited to undertake the foreign mission in terms of technical preparedness and capabilities, knowledge of the Haitian terrain, and the language cultural awareness. It is also important that the nation at large and families of officers who will be selected to undertake the mission in Haiti, in particular, be guaranteed that adequate measures have been put in place to mitigate casualties and to cushion families of the deployed officers from psychological trauma associated with deployment, including the sad eventualities of losing their loved ones abroad. Honorable Speaker, Article 208 of the Constitution envisages national security as the protection against internal and external threats to Kenya's territorial integrity and sovereignty, its people, their rights, freedom, property, peace, stability, and prosperity, and other national interests. The country has been experiencing an increase in the number of insecurity cases in several parts of the country, where hopeless Kenyans continue to bear the brunt of attack by criminals and terrorist gangs. It is a matter of concern that the government ought to first assure security and a surplus to deploy on missions abroad. As a matter of fact, stabilizing homeland security takes precedence over committing the police officers abroad. Finally, Honorable Speaker, I call on the government to treat the deployment of Kenya police officers to the Republic of Haiti with abundance of caution and exercise a well-calculated balance between national interest and global interest so as to not jeopardize national security. I thank you, Honorable Speaker. Signed today, Member for Parliament, Mathare constituency. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Member for Mathare. Honorable members,